Okay, so I know it's been a while since the last video, but yeah, I'm sorry. I hope you can forgive me. I just wanted to make this video especially because it's the last week of the second month of trading, and I went on. I would like to say big profits, but they are not really big profits. But I went on profits. So I'm just going to show you quickly the profits that I made, also the trade that I'm in currently. The next week I will be very busy because I have the exam the next week and I have to move for the exam. So I won't be here for 2 days. But I'm still going to trade. I'm not going to watch the graphs, the charts on these 2 days because I won't bring my computer, so I won't watch the charts. But I will set up my trades and see if I can enter already on Monday, or I will just wait on Thursday to make some trades. We are in now on the Euro-Aussie pair and the GBPCHF, so the Swiss franc against the pound against the Swiss franc. We are in on these two trades. We went on profit and on stop loss, in 2 profits and 1 stop loss, I think, from the last video that I made, which is 3 weeks ago, I think. We went on profit on the pound JPY pair. You can see here on the Excel. So on the 24th of October we went on profit on this pair here. We went on profit with a 1.6%, so an 85 francs more or less. Also the USD JPY pair here, but just with 20 francs, so a 0.4% of profit. I can show you maybe why. Okay, there we go. Of course, it's the profit is because of my strategy. So it was because of my strategies. There we go. This is the position that I was in. We see here that the price went down. We entered the trade here. We didn't even have big times in loss, just a few spikes here. We went down. We almost hit the take profit, but the price turned back, and I was my stop loss was here because as you know, I moved the stop loss, of course, as the price goes down. I figured at this point that shouldn't have been broken by the price. In fact, the price just touched it and went down again, hitting the take profit. So this would have been a 2% win, but of course it doesn't work with the ifs. Trading doesn't work with ifs. So I moved the stop loss as my strategy says, and I went on profit with 20 francs, which is great. We went on stop loss on the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. I can also show you that. There we go. The position was long, seeing this range of support on the weekly, of course. I didn't see the price moving up as soon as it started to move up, so I wasn't watching the pair through this period. I watched the pair when it was around here, then it broke the level that I was watching, which was this level here. It broke it, and it really broke this level here. I was watching this level here for a break. It broke the level when I was at school, so I decided to move a little bit the entry point on the retracement here because of the formation of Ichimoku, I think, if I'm not mistaken, on other time frames. So yeah, I decided to enter here, and the price went down as soon as I entered. So it went a little bit up, but then down again, forming these 2 lows, then up again. Maybe if I could watch this, if I would take the Fibonacci instrument, this could be a butterfly, I think, but I'm not sure. I never trade a butterfly. I don't even look for it. So yeah, the price broke this resistance. There was monitoring, but the buyers couldn't hold the price, and the price fell down, forming this consolidation triangle. But yeah, the triangle didn't make the price go up. Instead it went down, and then again in the triangle, but at this point the position is not, it's not good anymore. So here we have the GBP Swiss franc. So again, here we have a range of resistance, of course, found on the weekly, which is this one. This is the resistance. So we found here this triangle, and I entered on the retracement, of course, and the price, it's moving down sweetly with the Ichimoku that follows. I can show you Ichimoku here. So as you see here on the hourly chart, the Ichimoku follows. So what I expect, at least on the 4-hour chart, is a retracement on the Kijun, which would represent, I think, a 50% of this this retracement here. Of course, the Kijun should be a, no, it's not a 50% anymore. That means that the high here is not at 26 periods. But still, it's at 32%, I think. Yeah, it's at 32% more or less. So the price could go to find the Kijun in order to find equilibrium again. So a little bit of a retracement and then moving down. And then, of course, I would move the stop loss here. So this is the, I think, the best position that we have. On the EURUSD pair, we have it here. So I didn't find the movement. I didn't take the movement as soon as it started, but I decided to enter with a continuation pattern here. It's a basic ABCD pattern. Of course, I found again the resistance here on the, this should be red. The resistance here on the weekly time frame, and then going down, down, down through the daily, through the 4-hour chart, up to the 1-hour chart, to find the entry points, the stop loss, and well, the take profit is on the weekly. As you see here, is the Kijun weekly, and the first take profit is the upper price of a range that it's also found on the weekly. So yeah, if we recap a little bit the month, well, we have still 2 positions opened, but if we recap from September, we are at a minus 3.4 more or less percent. You see it here, of profit. So it's a negative 3.4%. So it's a loss of 3.4% for the month. So yeah, I also decided to calculate my Sharpe ratio, which is a 1.25 ratio. It's not good at all. I want it to be at least at 1.5. It would be better if it was around 1.82, but at least a 1.5, at least a 1.5. But I think that the September month ruined everything. I started a little bit my trades on September, and I found out something really bad. I didn't wait for the price to retrace. I just entered on stop orders. These are almost all stop orders here, which is bad. It's really bad. I could have took away so many trades, so many failed trades, but I didn't wait. I didn't want to wait. I wanted to enter, and that's really bad. As you see here, all of these trades are actually made by waiting for a retracement. I think I just made like 2 or 3 trades without a retracement, so with a stop order. But that's just because I knew that I didn't have time to look at the charts. That's bad. I didn't follow my strategy. I wanted to enter. Maybe it was because I didn't trade for a long time. So again, it's really bad. Without the September month, we would be at least in profit and positive. But still, we go to the end of this experience. and we will see maybe for the next year what to do. So for now, it's all for October. It's all. As you see here now, we have these two positions with a 50 francs profit. For this week, it's all. For the month of October, it's all. I hope I will make more videos now that I finished studying for this exam. See you in the next video, or in the next week, I hope, but at least in the next video.